Hey guys, before this video begins, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and support the channel Geegan Squad. What is up? Welcome to another Geegan Squad episode. Yes, I just woke up. Let's go fishing. Okay, hello fishing freaks. We are back, and I got everything hooked up. I got out the big boy. Oh crap. And the rail trap. I probably just ruined my... Oh crap. Rocking the Geegan Squad shirt today. But anyway, it is raining out. Raining out, as you can see. Yeah. So this gonna be pretty fun today. And let's get to it. Okay. What's up, fishing freaks? Today I got a drop shot out, and I'm gonna try to get some brim on it for bait. Bait. Hear me out. Bait. Put a little piece of bread on this line. Oh, I hope this works. Donut. Okay, let's make a deal. If I catch a fish on donut, y'all all have to subscribe to me, alright? Oh, that was like a crappie or something. Hold on. Okay, I got the piece back on there. I don't think it's gonna come off. I have a feeling. I'm gonna cheat my braids off. What the crap? Are you good? Right here for you. Just get that little tiny piece. It's still recording, so.
Yeah, but
that wasn't that bad.
I'm trying to see if it gets the water. I don't think it gets the water.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be the one right
That's a tiny piece of bread.
I know, that's what you gotta use.
Good grief. This ain't nothing. I'm gonna poke my finger.
First one of the day, that's bait. Actually, I need a smaller one.
Ooh, he just spit bread at me.
No, he's throwing up.
That's
Oh, you let him eat it too long, huh?
That's Crappy Squad.
Crappy Squad. All right.
Crappy Squad.
Oh, I got it. Hold on. Let us get this hook out. So this little thing came in my bag. So I'm pretty sure this is... Wow, these fish are demolishing. I hope it's big enough. There we go. Come on. Oh! I actually got it. Oh no. Oh, wait, it actually works. Oh, look at that.
What's the name of that thing?
I don't know. It came in a box. So, kiss him.
I ain't kissing that fish. I'm gonna get some.
Yeah.
Mouth.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah. People hate on me if I don't release the fish properly. They think I hurt them, so. There he goes.
Caught by the Crappy Squad.
Luke and Lee call me the crappie master because I usually catch crappie right in front of them.
Oh, that's because you crap all the time.
Oh, the oversized minnows in the pond, which I need a smaller one for catfish bait, but look how fat they are, like, compared to my finger.
They're like a, what is that? Not sushi, but sardine.
Yeah. Last time Luke was here, he kicked them whenever he caught them because they're nuisance.
Crappy Squad.
Hey fishing freaks, what's up? I'm trying to catch a turtle that's in the ponds. And look, he's right out there. It's huge. He's right over there. You can see him, and he's like a head as big as a dang golf ball. And all they do is destroy ponds, so I'm trying to catch them. And the bobbers I'm working with ain't working that good. Anyway, I'll start recording again when I catch them. Or whenever I get them. That bobber's trash. Alright. The rain has stopped, so y'all are safe. And, oh, there's one right there. There's a turtle. There's turtle. I have got a little frog on, and I'm gonna see if I can catch a turtle on it. Oh my gosh, it's right on top of him. Right on top of him. Well, anyway, guys, this is going to be fun to edit, but I have a little frog right here, and I'm hoping the turtle will eat it. Hoping. Oh, there she is right there. Dang it. You missed it. Guys, this is getting irritating. Put in the comments if you know what turtles eat. Like, this is all turtle shell. All turtle shell. This is where we all broke turtle shells. This is where we all broke turtle shells. And look, you can hear them on my feet too. I'm just kidding. Where is the turtle? I can find Big Daddy and get him. I'll be right back. I'm going to add a trailer hook on this. Hey guys! Oh, look at that big old broom. That's a slab right there. Alright, let's get him off the hook. Alright guys, this is
number 11.
This is number 11 for her. I only had 2. I was early fishing today.
From the crappie squad.
Crappie squad. Look at this. Look, he is such a feisty little broom. Look how... Look how pretty his face is. Look at that. Oh. Look, this is what you have to do. Every big fish like this, you just have to...
No.
Now, you ready for this? The proper release. Oh, whoa. That's not the proper release. You know how many big crappie I put down right here? That is the proper release. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we're leaving because of well, this participation. It's just dying down, but we're gonna go ahead and go. It's a little irritating fishing in the rain. My shoes for tomorrow are soaking wet. I'm soaking wet, and well, I'll see you back at the house where we're unloading everything. What's up, fishing freaks? We're back at the house. Pringles for days. We only caught a couple things. We didn't catch that much, but it was good. It was a good fishing experience. The rain was going, which that did not make me happy. What is that? Keep fishing, never stop. I hope you enjoyed today's video, but I'll see you next time.